Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your English language class. And as you all know, we did the chapter of pronouns, that is chapter 5 in our previous class. And we discussed about pronouns, types of pronouns, and the types of pronouns that we discussed were personal pronouns, possessive pronouns. Coming to the third one, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and emphatic pronouns. So in this video, we will continue with the rest types of pronouns. So let's start with reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns have the same form as emphatic pronouns, but instead of emphasizing a noun or a pronoun in the same sentences, they point back to the subject of the sentence. Let's look at example. They saw themselves in the clear water. Moving on to the next one, that is the last type of pronouns, relative pronouns. They come after nouns to point out to them or to give more information about them. Relative pronouns often introduce a relative clause in a sentence. Who, whom, whose, whoever, whomever, which, whichever, that, what, and whatever are reflexive pronouns. Now, let's have a look at few examples. Whose pain is this? The woman who appeared on the stage was enigmatic. Now, these were the types of pronouns. Let's move to the other part of the chapter, that is antecedents. What are antecedents? The noun that is replaced by a pronoun is referred to as antecedent. Let's have a look at few examples. Example number 1. Ria is going to the market. She has to buy bread. Number 2. Tom is traveling to Japan. He has got a new job. Now, using pronouns. How do we use pronouns? The pronoun must be of the same gender, number, and person as the noun for which it stands. The pronoun must be in agreement with its antecedent. Let's have a look at these examples. Number 1. John helps his mother in cooking. He is helpful. Number 2. Maria has gone to Delhi. She is not at home. Number 3. Mother cooked something different tonight. She made Korean food. So children, with this we end the chapter, and there is the third part of the video where I have given some exercises on this chapter. Please go through that video as well. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.